Want to completely remove or change your photo backgrounds in just one click? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Cutout.Pro, an all-in-one AI visual design platform that makes photo editing incredibly easy. If you've ever struggled with complex editing software just to clean up a portrait, a selfie, or a product shot, this tool is built to save you time. Cutout.Pro is packed with automatic, one-click AI tools designed for creators, e-commerce sellers, and everyday users. Its standout feature is the Image Background Remover, which instantly isolates your subject with impressive precision. But it goes way beyond just cutting things out. You also get access to a specialized face cutout tool, a retouch tool to easily remove unwanted objects from your frame, and a background diffusion tool to generate entirely new backdrops. If you need professional assets, they also offer a passport photo maker to help you format official documents right from home, alongside a photo enhancer and upscaler to bring low-resolution images back to life. It's a complete creative suite that even touches on AI video and music generation. Now, for an honest heads up, while the platform showcases a massive list of features and tools, we don't have a verified list of independent user reviews in our current research. Because of that, we always recommend uploading a few test images yourself to see how the AI handles your specific lighting and fine details like hair or complex edges. Overall, if you need a fast, hassle-free way to clean up your images, design graphics, or swap out backgrounds on the fly, Cutout.Pro is definitely worth checking out. Head over to Cutout.Pro to test it out for yourself. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more straight-to-the-point AI tutorials, and let us know in the comments how the background remover worked for your photos. See you in the next video.